Hey everybody, it's Jody
and Patrick,
and we wanted to take a minute of your time to talk to you a little bit about some changes that are going to be happening in our clinic. Now, whether you've been with us for a month or been with us for a couple of years, you may have seen some things that aren't that great. Maybe you're noticing that when you call our phone, you get a voicemail. Maybe it takes a little extra time to get your refills submitted, or maybe you're not able to get on the schedule. Well, I want you to know that we recognize those things and we're doing something about it. And we're here today to tell you what we're doing. Patrick?
Yeah, so the first thing that we're doing is we have gotten really busy and it's gotten really difficult to answer that phone right away. And so what we've done is establish a tree, an automation that will follow prompts to get to the person that you're actually looking for. So when you call us now, you're going to be told to press number 1 for the front or number 2 for the EMAs. It'll walk through everybody, so just listen to the prompt and select the correct choice for whatever your question or need may be. And then 2, please use the portal. If you send a message in through the portal, whether it be for a refill, for a question, or maybe you just want to schedule an appointment, you can go to your portal and send any of those requests to us. If you do it this way, it ensures that there is a copy that we can track down no matter where it goes. We won't lose it, we can make sure that it gets to the right person. And here at the office, we are all a team. And so we can all see these messages. And if you're sending me a message and I'm busy, then somebody else can pick it up and either make sure I get my eyes on it, or they might be able to take care of it for you as well.
Very good. Some other things that we're doing is we are hiring some new family members. We're going to be bringing in new people to help us out with the process flow of the practice so that you get taken care of faster and better. And we're even looking for a new provider. Now, I know we just brought Joan on last year, but we've already grown so much that it's difficult to find time on the schedule. So we are in the process right now of looking for a third provider so that we make sure to get you on the schedule when you need us. And finally, we've got some other internal changes that we're doing, looking at different processes and the way things move throughout the practice to make sure that it's the most efficient so you get the best, fastest care.
And we're doing all of this to just bring you the best care, like Jody just said. And it is our hope that you can understand that we're growing here. We're going to make everything better than ever before. And we just ask that you're patient with us.
Now, if you've got questions or any comments about what we've shared with you today, just give us a call, ask for Jody and Patrick, and we're happy to answer or talk through any of your concerns. Now, if you have an individual patient concern, go ahead and call your patient liaison. They are the best person for you to contact.
And I just want to say that the great thing about needing to make all these different changes means that we're getting the word out to more people. More people are looking for hormone optimization, and it's just more lives that we're touching and creating just better futures for them. And we here in the clinic are just so happy that that is the case and that we are able to touch so many more lives here with what we're doing.
Absolutely. So thank you again for putting your trust and faith in us. And if you have any questions, give us a call and we'll see you at your next appointment.
All right, guys. See you then.